Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey Through our Upper Elementary Classroom series. My name is Uma Narayan and I'm the Upper Elementary Lead Guide at Montessori Academy at Sharon Springs. Our school is located in Cumming, Georgia. I have been a Montessori teacher for 20 years now. In fact, both my children attended Montessori schools and were instrumental in introducing me to this amazing learning style. We will continue this journey with a walk through our geometry area. Geo means earth and metry means the process of measuring. This branch of math had its beginnings in Egypt with the practice of measuring and marking the ownership of farmers' land with the help of rope stretchers. Like all other areas in the classroom, geometry exercises are placed in a sequential order from simple to more complex ones. Types of lines and angles are introduced using classified nomenclature cards. Students learn what are straight, curved, broken, horizontal, vertical, oblique, divergent, convergent, parallel, and perpendicular lines and their properties. Extensive study of angles is also practiced by using protractors, regular and Montessori, compasses, geometric shapes, and cards. Constructive triangles. Montessori constructive triangles are introduced sensorially in primary classrooms and later used to learn plane geometry in elementary classrooms. These come as a set of 5 boxes containing triangles of different colors, shapes, and sizes, which are used to form different types of rectilinear or right angle figures. Students learn through manipulation, which leads to understanding the concept of equivalence and graduating to calculating areas. Study of the circle begins with learning the parts of the circle and positions of lines and segments in relation to the circumference, like tangent, secant, external, and internal. The understanding of pi is taught using concrete materials and used to calculate the circumference and the area of the circle. Yellow area material is used to measure the area of all two-dimensional plane figures like rectangles, squares, triangles, parallelograms, rhombi, and trapezoids. Students work with the materials extensively and advance to using formulae to calculate the area of various figures. Geometric solids enhance the stereognostic sense, sometimes called tactile gnosis, when the students use their senses to identify a solid object. They build three-dimensional figures first and then learn to calculate their volume numerically. Binomial and trinomial cubes. Made of cubes and prisms, these materials are introduced as puzzles to train and refine the child's senses in primary classrooms. These sensorial materials are repurposed to learn advanced concepts like algebra in elementary classroom. Both binomial cube and trinomial cube are solved algebraically as a plus b the whole cubed and a plus b plus c whole cubed respectively. A visual to manipulate and prove the Pythagorean theorem that the sum of the squares built on both the legs of a right angle triangle equals to the square built on the hypotenuse is such a marvel of Montessori. The concepts of congruency, similarity, and equivalency are proven using concrete materials. Congruency deals with the two geometric figures that are identical in size and shape. Similarity deals with two geometric figures that are of the same shape but different size. In equivalency, we prove that two geometric figures have the same area but different shapes. This concludes our journey through math areas of the Montessori classroom. We will walk you through other areas of our classroom in the upcoming series. Thank you for your interest in learning about what we do in the upper elementary classrooms.